Before sitting for the PMP exam, the PMI requires 35 contact hours PMP education. This criterion can be a source of much consternation and stress. In this video, we will talk about the most effective method for obtaining the 35 contact hours. First, what counts as a contact hour? Contact hours are only available for instructional training that is directly relevant to project management performance. This includes classroom training, online or virtual training, workshops, and seminars on project management. Second, what doesn't count as a contact hour? Any training that is not directly relevant to project management is ineligible, even if it teaches other necessary skills and information. Exam simulators and self-assigned study hours are also excluded. Third, how to earn the required 35 contact hours for the PMP. There are numerous ways to meet your 35 contact hour requirement. The most straightforward and strategic approach is to enroll in bootcamp training, such as those offered by SPOTO. This ensures that the content and training are of the highest quality and are PMI approved. These courses satisfy the PMI's 35 contact hour requirement, are delivered by certified teachers, can be accessed from any device, and have a 100% money-back guarantee. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoy watching this video or if you find this video helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave comments down below.